The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi kiway. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak sao pun riulak. Just wow.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kies Sangma ula Pyntip baka Sorkar Jela kala rai Thaw ya ke FCRA sel hapo ke tenat kampo yeng ke Sorkar Jela. Hapo Pyntip ya ke dia syakilat patai kubor haka khalai trik nailar arja arpun rio u Konrad Kies Sangma ula ong. Baya ke dia ke sel la Thaw haringkat ke Jingeh trailang bat ke Sorkar India ban Ïarap ya ki Jingeh jengki Kynhun baper na ke dia ke Jela. Nalor kata ulo angru, bola dapat nyakran ya kerika kam bat Secretary ke Ministry of Home Affairs bat bahaya kilat kilenti ansepan baik ringkat bat ke Jingeh dan Bentalang ki opisar ke Sorkar India.
Basically, the question of supporting or not supporting arises only after we see the details of any particular bill or act. Now the FCRA has been sent to the JPC. Details will be seen and discussed in that. So therefore, the question of supporting, not supporting doesn't arise right now. I think what is important is, the intent of individuals and leaders and political parties, because it's not about politics or taking credit or putting down a particular political party. I think what's important is the issue in front of us. So to be very frank, sometimes I wonder why politics takes over so much more than the issue itself. I don't know how many times Mapala has met, Home Minister, or even, asked his leaders to meet and discuss and take up this issue at the Home Secretary level. So I think actions are important. One can always criticize and condemn anybody else. The question is, what have you done? What is your role? What is your contribution? And how are you contributing? I'm very happy. The other day, the UDP MLAs had gone to meet Home Minister and discussed about FCRA. I saw other leaders from other political parties going and meeting. That's really what matters, you see. And again, yesterday also I was asked a question about the fact that some people are saying that, we didn't do enough for the FCRA. I was asked a question yesterday. And I think that's just not the point again, For us, what is important is the issue should be resolved. This is a matter that concerns our people. And we should ensure that we can do whatever we can to make sure that our people are protected. And I think that is what is important. Also, I want to share with you that we have also taken a decision. And I think this is in fact a separate news, so you can take it down in a separate way. I would like to inform you that the Meghalaya government has decided that we will be forming an FCRA cell within the Home Department in the government of Meghalaya itself. This, of course, will be done in consultation with Government of India. And the purpose of this cell will be to help in coordination with central government to see effective way in which the different problems being faced by our different organizations when it comes to renewals and applications can be addressed right here in Shillong itself without having, or in Tura or in Jowai, without having to travel to distant places like Delhi. And obviously in this coordination, we are seeking the support of Government of India. And just I can tell you, without giving too much of details, that this matter also was discussed with the Home Secretary. And we are working on a mechanism where Government of India officials also will be there to support time to time in order to ensure that any kind of problems and challenges that are there will be looked into. But the government of Meghalaya will take the initiative, as I said, to form that cell, an FCRA cell, within the Home Department, in the state government, in different locations where if necessary, which will help and support different organizations in their process of applying or renewing their FCRA license. So that's something that we're going to do. And so therefore, these things are going on. And as I said, it'll be nice that all political parties should see beyond politics in this and really see how we can contribute towards ensuring that a positive outcome comes in. It's not about taking credit. It's not about saying I did it and you didn't do and blaming each other or anybody else. I think there is a lot at stake. So I think this is not the time to play politics, but it is a time to work together to ensure that we are able to find a solution where certain concerns of Government of India are there when it comes to monitoring and regulating foreign currency, which is a natural procedure that happens throughout the world. But while the procedure to monitor and regulate foreign currency happens, our people should not suffer in terms of them being, facing difficulty and challenges or their assets being seized. So to strike the balance between these two needs is really the need of the hour. And that's what we're working towards, to find a mechanism for regulation, yet not harassing or affecting or damaging our institutions and our organizations which are here helping and working for the poor people of our state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya